everybody, good afternoon. It's Jean here. I just want to check in real quick. I'm still working on my quilt here behind me. My this is sort of the block of the week, my red and white quilt. Quite a lot of people have been saying, you know, they were following along with my block party and had gotten waylaid as I had. I'm putting my quilt together, but I just wanted to I was with Jen this morning, my friend Jen. If any of you have just knew, Jen is my friend. She's not our daughter. She's my friend. I've known her for a million years now. She's like my daughter. She could be our daughter. But she had a bit of a disaster with her sewing machine and was all panicky. So we took the sewing machine over to the place to get it fixed. And we just got back. We had lunch. So I just thought I filmed it. It was just a little bit of our morning. So I just wanted to check in, say hello to everybody. Thanks again for all your best wishes. Maxwell's doing good. He just got back from school. Yeah, we're all having a good day. So we had a bit of fun with Jen. So yeah, we will talk to you later and see you. Just a few minute little clip of our day today. See ya. Bye. Good morning, everybody.
Hey.
It's Jen and I. And Jen is having a bad morning.
I'm having a bad day.
What happened, Jen?
Well, it started yesterday when I was sewing and my baby JUKI, my baby, it started making a little noise.
And?
Well, okay, let's start with why it started.
Why did it make noise, Jen?
So I was super responsible and I went and bought new quilting needles for my JUKI. Because that's what you should do when you feel like your needles are getting dull.
Now wait a minute. Jen bought your JUKI
a year ago.
1 year ago at the store where we're going to right now.
Yes.
Yes. And you've been sewing on it
I've done how many quilts?
Right.
7,
and it's
6?
Yes, it's not it's not a mini, it's not a straight stitch. It is a computerized machine.
Yeah, QVP 2200
yes,
or something.
Right, 22, yeah. Okay. So, that's what it is, a 2200, right, yeah. So, you sew very fast.
I do, I love it. It has a rabbit and a turtle, and I like rabbit.
Yes, I like rabbit too. But what happened, Jen?
So, I thought, I got just a little bit more thread in my bobbin.
Right.
So instead of changing the needle right now, because then I have to change the bobbin and whatever, I had a coat that I've been meaning to take in. And I thought, it's one stitch. I'm just gonna take it in real quick and...
A coat?
It was a light down coat.
Oh, okay, okay.
But
okay.
I forgot I had a quilting needle in,
right.
not a universal
jeans,
needle.
Not a jeans. And?
I got all the way to the end. I got my coat all done.
Okay.
I was literally 3 stitches from finishing.
Okay.
And the needle did not break in half. It broke in 2, like there was only that much left. And it
shattered.
It broke in 2. The piece that broke off broke in 2. That's how bad it was.
Oh my word.
So I get my manual right away and I look in the manual and it says, change your needle regularly. If you break a needle, it will damage your machine.
Well.
And I was like, well, maybe it didn't.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I have broken dozens of needles. Yeah, and you go, oh,
but I couldn't find the piece.
Oh.
Couldn't find the piece. I didn't tell her this part. I couldn't find the piece.
You didn't tell me that.
Okay, so
oh no.
That's why I go, okay, it must have fallen underneath. So I take the plate off where the bobbin is.
Okay.
And I go, oh my gosh, there was so much lint in there. Like so much lint.
Have you never cleaned your machine?
No.
Oh, Jen!
So
you have to clean your lint.
How often though? That was
cotton fabric, the fibers.
Oh, it was the batting too. The batting was terrible.
Well, it's all cotton you're using.
Oh,
and the
my
lint.
word.
No, seriously.
It was bad.
So that really
So I took a
mess
little itty bitty brush and for an hour I sat there like picking.
Okay, you didn't use like canned air or anything.
No.
Okay.
I had a little brush that came with my JUKI.
Oh, that came with it, right?
And a little, I think it was a seam ripper, honestly, but a little pokey thing that I could pull out wads of stuff.
That didn't help it.
No. So, no needle. I go through all the lint.
I was going to say, did you go through the lint?
No needle. So I'm driving crazy. I'm looking on the floor. I'm looking on the table. Where did these needles go? Like they disappeared. Then I thought, look in the coat. They were in my coat in 2 pieces. I sewn them like into the coat.
Yeah, it broke into the coat.
So I found one piece and I go, that's not big enough to be a needle. And then I kept looking and I found the other piece.
Oh my, you really did a number, Jen.
So then I put it all back together. I'm like, okay, I solved the problem. There's no needle. My lint, my thing's clean. It's perfect. And I start sewing. I change the needle to a quilting needle.
Okay,
I start piecing my oldest son's quilt that I'm finishing. Oh, I'm like near the end. And I thought, I'm gonna go slow, just to whatever. I'm going slow, seems good. Well, then I like get my feel, turn it up to rabbit, and all of a sudden, a noise on rabbit.
What is the noise?
And I'm going, so I turn it back to turtle and I go again, fine. And I turn it to rabbit and it's like so, I don't know. I never heard that noise.
No.
My JUKI, baby.
Yeah.
So I texted Jean, cry faces, angry faces.
You have to understand, Jen is the most positive person on the planet. I'm miserable. I'm having a bad day. I get in the car.
It'll be okay. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I know. My life is a mess. And she's like, oh, that's all funny. I get in and she's like, my son. It'll be fine.
It's like having a 1-year-old toddler and they're sick. We gotta take it to the hospital.
So where are we going now?
We're going to Burn.
We're going to Burn Sewing Gallery in Doylestown. Jen's picked me up and we're gonna take a look at poor Jen's face.
This is terrible.
It is terrible. It is. I mean, no, it is. You know, I offered you my...
That was not a cheap sewing machine.
No, that's the whole thing. That's not it wasn't a cheap sewing machine.
Then I said to my husband, I go, oh, I think I gotta take my sewing machine in for maintenance.
Yeah, for maintenance.
He was like, what does that mean? Did you break it? You better not have broke that machine.
No.
I go, babe, I think it needs maintenance.
No, you're due for a yearly service.
I am due.
Yes, you're due for a yearly servicing.
I don't know how to get there.
Up 611. No, go up that way. 611. Yeah, no, you're due for a yearly servicing. That happens. Yeah, it is hot.
I'm like stressed out. Is this what stress feels like? I don't like it.
Jen, I do stress wonderfully. I get stressed out. Jen is the coolest cucumber. You're like Ian. You're so cool. Everything's fine.
I'm like, everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine.
It's not fine.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Tell Ben it's
what
just
if they're like, you
no,
broke it,
no.
idiot. You don't deserve a machine this night.
Everything can be fixed. Everything can be fixed.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm a little afraid they're gonna make fun of me. Like,
no.
How did this happen? You broke a needle?
No, don't be silly. Don't be silly. No, of course they won't. Of course they won't. Where did you find your needle? In your coat?
In my coat.
In 17 layers?
Oh, I got overconfident.
Yeah, you did.
Man.
You did. And you go very
humble.
You go very fast. Humility. Really,
it's
seriously.
It's really important. I see that now.
Oh, Jen. It'll be okay.
And then Jean tells me I'm gonna be without my sheet for like 7 to 10 days.
No, I said no. Well, you may.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
I looked on their website after you said that, and I was like, it does say that on the website.
Well, no, but it says that on the website. But every time I've taken a machine in, although I have multiple machines and I'm not down a machine, they say 7 to 10 days. Obviously, you know. So if they get a backlog, but their maintenance guy goes in every Friday. I do know that for a fact. And so if you take your machine in on a Wednesday, as we are now, or a Thursday, it'll be done by Friday afternoon, most probably.
Okay.
If it's not, yeah, that's why I said hold on to it.
Yeah.
Because I have done this before.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, Jen.
It's so stressful.
My poor
having a sewing machine.
Now, and I offered to. Well, I offered Malia's little baby brother if you wanted to borrow, or any of my other machines.
That was so sweet.
But you said, yeah, go
I do have my grandmom's machine still. Right. I never got rid of that.
Yeah, of course.
So, and I didn't tell you this part, but I went to get my glasses from Walmart. I told you that part.
Yes.
And there was a new craft store across the street. So I ran in there real quick after I got my glasses.
At Walmart? Where,
no, Hobby Lobby.
Oh, yes, yeah, that's right, yeah.
So they had all this fabric, like, I couldn't believe how cheap
apparently.
It was $6.99 and 40% off.
Yeah,
do the math.
Yeah,
that's like really cheap.
Yeah.
So I can't do math, or I would.
Yeah.
But I know that's cheap.
That is cheap, yeah.
So I got fabric to redo. Jean helped me pick slip covers for my sofas so they kind of match in my house. So I got fabric to make pillows.
Oh, good,
And I thought that's the project for my grandma's machine.
Yes,
like pillows are
exactly.
so simple.
Yeah,
you know, it's not like quilt. I'm not going to quilt until I get my JUKI back.
Yeah, no,
But
no,
I will make my pillows for my living room.
Yeah, absolutely. You can go that way.
Okay.
Because we're just going up 611.
Yeah, so, whew.
Oh,
I feel a little better after venting.
Yeah, you're right. Isn't it good to vent?
Help.
Venting does help.
It does.
You needed me, Jen.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it will be fine. It will be fine. And as I said, yes, her machine was expensive, but it's just like a car, as you said. Just like a car, you have to get your oil changed. You have to get it inspected. You have to service your vehicle. That's when you buy a better machine. That's how you have to look at it, because people do go, "Oh my goodness, you know, the service is expensive, but you do it for your car, and that's what you really have to do.
Yeah. And when you said it that way, now that makes sense to me.
Yeah, like, absolutely. Does it make sense to Ben?
Probably not.
Probably not. No, it's going to be fine. Everything's going to be fine. We're going to take it up to the little JUKI hospital. It's going to get fixed. You're going to say goodbye to it. Yeah.
How do you know they give you the same machine back?
Oh, they write down the serial number.
Oh, right.
Yeah, they'll write down the serial number, and you'll get your receipt and everything.
Imagine you turn in your expensive machine.
And you get a cheap garbage machine. No. And this place has been around forever, and she's ever so nice and very, very good.
Nice.
Burn Sewing Gallery in Doylestown, Pennsylvania.
I'm excited to get it fixed.
Yeah. So we'll check in and tell you what happened later, folks.
All right.
Bye. Oh, Jen.
It's a sad day in the young minivan. Look, it still has a sticker on it. That's how new it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
It'll be okay. Don't be panicking. It's going to be fine.
It's super heavy. What if
it is very heavy, yeah. Oh, I think they don't need the case. And they don't need the foot pedal. Yeah, they will take that away.
All right,
you'll bring that back. So here we are.
I don't want to carry it without the case. I'm too afraid.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it'll be okay.
It's already broken.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, my poor Jen. Oh.
Poor JUKI.
No, yeah, forget Jen, the JUKI. Okay.
This is like taking your child to a hospital. It's like urgent care.
I wonder what the prescription will be and how much it will cost.
Learn to sew.
Don't sew heavy. Don't sew heavy coats. Okay, Jen.
My baby had to stay overnight.
Jen comes out. She goes, I left it and I just got a little ticket back. It's okay. She's really devastated. Actually, the lady did say maybe she could. Maybe it was a
yeah. They have a feeling I didn't put it back together, right? It was the feeling
yeah.
Like when I took it all apart.
Yeah. I have a feeling you didn't. Okay, Jen.
Yeah, I have a feeling I didn't either.
I don't think you put it right together.
I'm not like the most detailed-oriented person.
So when you took it apart,
there were
parts. Quite a few parts missing.
I didn't have any leftovers, so I thought that was good. I'm never taking it apart again.
No, I was surprised when you said. I was surprised when you said, oh, hold on.
I'm quite overconfident. I've realized I need to work on that.
Yeah, I was surprised when you said you took it apart because it's not a
fine-tuned machine. Like, why? I would never take my car apart.
I know. Why did you take it?
Why did I take it apart? I don't know.
Exactly. You should have gone.
When I couldn't find.
You should have gone the other way.
Oh no. When I couldn't find the needle, I got scared.
Yes.
I should have just stopped and called you and asked you what I should do.
Yeah.
But I got overconfident.
You did get overconfident.
I'm seeing a bad pattern here. I gotta work on this.
You do. It's humility. It's humility. It's humility, Jen. Really, seriously, pride comes before a fall.
Yes,
it does. Big time.
That's a scripture.
It is a scripture. You fell. You fell. Your machine is gone.
Hard. It's gone. They could take it and be like, I'm sorry, we have no idea who Jen Young is.
But you're famous. Oh,
not there. Nobody recognizes.
That's true. They were busy today.
They were. I think they were holding a class.
Yeah, they must be. I think that's how. Well, they sell a bunch of embroidery machines. I think that's how they make their money, though. They must with classes.
I mean, the people that work there probably way more expensive machines than I have.
Actually, very much. Yours was one of the.
Yeah.
Yours is one of the least expensive. No, that machine was about $16,000. Yeah,
that one you showed me.
Yeah, that's that embroidery machine.
Yeah, then no, I will not be learning.
Yeah, no, you won't be.
She asked me if I would. I go, oh, I do like the look.
I like it.
But now it's a no.
No, that's a yeah. I have an embroidery machine and I don't use it a lot.
No.
So
my JUKI actually has some embroidery stitches.
Oh yeah, the little
but I haven't really used them either.
Yeah.
I'm just done mostly straight stitch and zigzag.
Yeah. So anyway, it'll be okay, Jen. We're gonna get your machine back probably on Friday, I would imagine. Yeah. So now we are off to Hobby Lobby. Okay, Jen found a Hobby Lobby that's just opened up near us.
Yes. I had never been to one.
Okay, I had only gone to one in near the Quaker Bridge Mall in New Jersey, or no, it is in Pennsylvania, but it was a way away from us, and they've just opened up one very near. So we're going to go to Hobby Lobby, see, because the fabric is quite inexpensive. So we'll have a go.
Yeah.
So yeah, we will be back. Okay, we just went into Hobby Lobby.
It's awesome.
It is awesome. We got fabric, and there's all sorts of not conflicting. Everybody has their own opinion about perhaps the quality of fabric at places like this, as opposed to quilt shop quality fabric. The quality, the feel of this fabric was awesome.
Yeah, I think it was great.
And it really was. And I'm an experienced quilter, seamstress, and the ones we got were absolutely super quality,
and
really nice. And the price for a yard,
yeah,
with the discount was
$4.19.
Yeah, $4.19 a yard, please. Fantastic. We got fabrics to back our
your red and white quilt.
My red and white quilt, which will be a surprise because
I love it.
Yeah, it was pretty. So yeah, that was our day. Yeah. So we went, and Hobby Lobby is unreal, unbelievable craft store.
And decorative.
Decor.
Like, I could just decorate a whole house with
Absolutely.
Just that store.
Room after room after room after room. It's really fantastic,
yeah,
and it's only 5 minutes away now. So yeah, so this was our day. So Jen's feeling better.
I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
A little venting, retail therapy.
That's
all
right.
Is well in the world.
All
again.
is well. All right, folks. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.